Hello ma'am, I am 2.5 years of experience in Salesforce development. I lost my job in mid of 23. Till now I did not get any job and I am not getting interview calls. Till now I have attended 4 interviews in last 9 months but not get selected. If any in any, what should I do to get more interview calls, and what when this recession will end? So this so currently there are openings. Okay, so we cannot say that the recession is not due to the recessions we are not getting the calls and all. It is not as much as it used to be previous year, right? So for the 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, many candidates are getting calls. So try to be make yourself active over the platforms, over Naukri.com, LinkedIn. Over the from the LinkedIn, try to connect with the HRs directly, send them messages and ask for the referrals for the from the professionals who are already there in Salesforce, and you already having the 2.5 years of experience, so it would not be much difficult for you to find the jobs. But yeah, you have to be active more over the LinkedIn. If you are today sending 10 SMS or 10 messages to the to the professional, then try to send 20 to 30 people on the daily basis. Might be possible someone will having the opening and can reply you and pass your resume. So try to increase your networking and post your skills, whatever you are having, post your projects, whatever you have done. So these things will going to help you out to get more number of calls, right? And do not think that the recession is there and we are not getting the calls. No, nothing like this.